Good morning. Welcome you all in this short duration class. Today's topic is contiguous zone. Contiguous zone under law of sea in public international law. Before describing and defining contiguous zone, we have to understand some maritime zones that are internal waters, territorial sea, contiguous zone, exclusive economic zone, or high sea area. Internal waters, land part of the baseline are defined in internal waters over which the state has complete sovereignty. Not even innocent passage is allowed. Lakes and rivers are considered internal waters. Let us see territorial sea. Territorial sea is that area up to 12 nautical miles from the baseline. If this would overlap with another state's territorial sea, the border is taken as the median point between the states. Now come to contiguous zone. Our topic. Contiguous zone means Salagna Kshetra, nearby area. The contiguous zone is a band of water extending from the outer edge of the territorial sea up to 24 nautical mile, means 44.4 kilometer from the baseline, within which a state can exert limited control for the purpose of preventing or punishing